Okay, standing next to me is Orlie, the owner of Orlie's Hydraulics. Now, Orlie, we're out cruising around. What is a lowrider?
To me, guys that go out there and enjoy their cars. You know, even poor people enjoy their cars, you know, in different ways. But that, to me, is a lowrider. You know, people that go out there and take care of their cars, do what they got to do.
There's a new innovation out right now as far as bed dancers and hoppers right now. Could you tell us what's next after that, in your opinion?
I think probably the Japanese cars are coming in now. You know, all the low-profile cars, they're all starting to. I'm getting calls, you know, from all over the world about gifting their cars. Once they start, then it's going to go, you know, all over the world, man.